Hello everyone, my name is Silva Sorkazian. I am a project manager here at Glendale Community College, and we'd like to take you on a virtual tour of a project we just completed at San Rafael on the second floor. Some of you may remember that this space used to be an open area housing several programs. As you'll see through this video, we have managed to convert this open area into 5 different programmatic spaces. Beginning with this bright, long corridor, we have 3 programs to our right and 2 to the left. Starting with the right, we have Title V, Adjunct faculty spaces, CalWORKs, and to the left, we have Student Equity and Shared Governance offices. This is the Title V office. It features a reception area and 2 offices for a director and project assistant. This is the Adjunct office space, featuring 4 student conference rooms, multiple student workstations, and over 100 lockers. The last suite to the right is an expansive CalWORKs office. When you walk in, you have a waiting area to the right, a student computer area, 5 case manager offices, a large conference room, and the director's office. The second floor of San Rafael also features a staff break room on the south side of the building and restrooms on the north side. The state-of-the-art restrooms feature modern fixtures and tile, and a baby changing station in both the women's and men's rooms. Continuing our tour now on the east side of the corridor, the shared governance space features a state-of-the-art conference room, which is one of the largest on campus. 4 offices, 1 for the governance coordinator, the other 3 for the leaders of the CSEA, Academic Senate, and the Guild. The Student Equity Suite has several rooms, beginning with this reception space and waiting area, conference room, offices, and multiple rooms for confidential counseling sessions. To learn more about the other major capital projects on GCC's 3 campuses, please visit our campus projects website at glendale.edu/campus projects.